Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at the POLARIS PHB 1385 hand blender, a powerful kitchen tool designed to make everyday cooking faster and easier. This blender comes with a strong 1350-watt motor, giving it enough power to handle smoothies, soups, sauces, purees, and even tougher ingredients with ease. The modern white design looks clean and stylish, fitting perfectly into almost any kitchen setup. One of the biggest advantages of the POLARIS PHB 1385 is its versatility. Whether you're preparing breakfast smoothies, creamy soups, or homemade baby food, this blender is built to deliver smooth and consistent results. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, making it easy to control during use. Multiple speed settings allow you to adjust blending power depending on the ingredients you're working with. Another great feature is the compact design, which makes storage simple and convenient, especially for smaller kitchens. Cleaning is also quick and easy, helping save time after cooking. Overall, the POLARIS PHB 1385 is a practical and powerful hand blender that combines performance, convenience, and modern style. If you're looking for a reliable kitchen helper for everyday cooking, this model is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next review.